not a long middle part, just gonna do it every time. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Alicia Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. So today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this look using UNice's V part with their new technology. It is super easy and very easy to attain and very sleek, and I think the results look pretty good if I do say so myself. If you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, be sure to stay tuned and keep on watching. Thank you so much to UNice for sponsoring this video. I was really excited to try this hair out. You guys know that UNice, they're going to lace you with some extras every single time. I don't care if it's PR or if they send it to you or if you buy it. They're always going to send you some goodies, okay? This hair is super nice. The technology in this hair and the way that this unit is constructed is honestly one of the best U-part or V-part, I should say, wigs that I've gotten. Just seeing here, I'm showing you guys how the hair is kind of looped over the side. So you don't really have that spacing and gapping, and this also allows you to leave less hair out. You're gonna see in this video I also left out less leave out at the end than I needed. I took out more than I needed to, and then I was able to go back and correct it because it's just that good. There are 4 clips on the very top, and then 2 on the side, 2 combs on the side, 1 huge comb in the back, and a very thick elastic band. Now this thick elastic band, to me, you can kind of take it or leave it. However, it is good for just extra durability. But the best part of this is the drawstring on the back. As you can see, I'll show you in a second, there is a drawstring that helps this unit be pulled tighter onto your head. Because some people have smaller heads than normal. And then they also have these grips on the bottom that I think help to just make it look even more natural. Again, the technology on this is honestly very well thought of. Because of the new technology, I was able to go ahead and install this hair over a ponytail. So my hair is currently in a bob, so most hairstyles that I do now, they don't really require me to do a braid down because it's less hair. However, if you do already have less hair, or if you don't know how to braid, this is exactly the reason why V-part and U-part wigs are going to be very beneficial to doing your own hair at home, because of the extra clips that they included on this new unit, it makes it very easy and very strong so that it won't just slip off or slide off of your head. You can still do a braid down if you wanted to, but it's still flat with or without the braids either way, which is why I was so excited to try it, because you know, it takes a lot to be able to braid your own hair, and I know that I've gotten that question a lot of, you know, more help with braid downs, or even if you just do like a twist down. I think either will be sufficient. Once you go ahead and put on the unit, you're going to want to go ahead and brush it out. I'm just brushing it out just to see if everything is laying how I want it to lay before I go ahead and secure the back, which you can see me doing here. I'm just taking that last bottom comb and tucking it all the way underneath my ponytail or bun, or if you have braids, this will go underneath your anchor braid. And once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and pull that drawstring tight. Now this drawstring got so tight, I wasn't expecting it to be that tight. However, I am thankful for that, because if it's one thing you learn from a drawstring ponytail is that you want it to be tight and make sure that it's secure, honey, okay? We don't need anything being pulled out, or the way that the winds are set up today, we don't need the wind blowing anything off, okay? So go ahead and pull that tight, and once you do pull it, the string is not super long and it's also not very thick, so you can go ahead and just tuck it underneath the unit as well, which is what I did as well.
Been on roof and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos, that's some chili cheese. Smoking gelato got me feeling knees. Might got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit, I'm knowing what they need. I check out the motor, gotta have some speed. Do it by focus, I can see the feed. Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I put on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time.
So this here, I'm showing you the back of the unit and how easy and natural and flawless it is in the back. You're able to lift it up into a ponytail, or if you go into the gym, or you just don't want to have it on your neck, you just see how easy and simple it is to go ahead and do that. If you wanted to, you could even go ahead and straighten or flat iron those back parts of your natural hair. But I mean, it is what it is. If you want to leave it natural, you can. I always do. But I just love that I'm able to go ahead and throw this up in a ponytail, or if you want to even throw it on a headband, you could do that.
Fuck the net in the back of the hood. I never read and keep that understood. Ain't going backwards, I don't think I could. These labels be trapping rappers like they should. Got M's in a bad bitch, I feel life is good. They making the payment, held down on my foot. Been patiently waiting, wish a nigga would. Just drop the location, my niggas are done. I got an old bitch, can't wait for me to scroll. Just picked up 200, I'm headed to 4. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on the cunt. 24 shows in a month. Looked at that time, it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tough. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly red, so I'm sipping that test. Go get it on must. But go get it on pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, running it up. Got this shit out there, ground in the mud. I blow push, got these clouds out of bud. Throw them rats up in here like a flood.
Yes, sir. Ha. Yeah. You ever been in love before? I wanna holler at you, man. You know, it's hard for a player to admit that sometimes. But I'ma spit that sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Hey, P, give it to me one time, nephew.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, don't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself, nothing is it. Sure it hurts when it comes to your attention. You're in love.
Hey, yes, sir. That's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the dope fun. Before the double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got.
So here, I'm just going to go ahead and fix out my leave out. As I told you before, I left way too much hair out. And I also have tape in my natural hair where it's just not the same texture as the unit. So I did go ahead and tuck those away in a later clip. But I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in. Now, the good thing about this is that, again, you don't need to use that much leave out. So this is, to me, considered a protective style. Whenever I don't have to leave out too much leave out, like a typical sew-in, I think that's a great thing, especially if you are trying to wear this throughout your week. And if you do wear this with braids, or even if you don't, you can go ahead and always take this unit off before you go to sleep so those clips don't hurt your head, and then just pop it right back on in the morning, because I do know that wearing these clips for an elongated time can be very strenuous on your scalp and your hair follicles. So I would always be careful and be mindful of that as well.
See, I'm a crip in dark blue chucks, and I does what I does. Yeah, I might say good. It's really weird, cause I got love. Snoop Dogg's a crip, and the girl was a blood. She told me that her baby daddy was a hug. Now it is what it is, and it was not was. I'm hollering little mama like wood. Monday moon stack, trying to get my cheese back. All these memories breathe seeds of a rhythm rhyme pleaser. Laid back while we sipping on the breezer. Fresh 4-pack sitting in the freezer. Ain't that Khadijah? I heard she was a skeezer. She used to hit them licks with the pieces. When I seen her with the homies, I was like, Jesus. It's been a little minute since I seen her. Hope I'm in a runner, cause I have to pull a Nina.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run
Okay guys, as we're coming to the end of the tutorial, I did go ahead and tuck those little parts away. As you can see, it's blending so much more seamlessly. And I went ahead and tied down my hair just so that way it wouldn't poof up or sweat while I was waiting for it to set. And just look how sleek and shiny this hair is. I absolutely love it. The color is a 1B, and I believe the inches on this unit is about an 18 or 20 to 22 inches. I'm not too sure. I'll go ahead and link the exact wig in the description box below so you guys are able to go ahead and check it out. If you made it to this part of the video, I just want to say thank you so much for your continued support and always watching my videos. I absolutely love V-part wigs, and I love giving you guys an inside look on how to do your own hair at home. So the rest of the video is just, you know, me feeling myself and doing my hair. If you guys love this content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Guys, that's it for this look. As you can see, it was super easy, and you didn't even need a braid down to do it. That's how much I love V-part wigs. They're so simple and so versatile, and whenever you need something quick, baby, it's right there for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it and like it, and make sure you come back for more. Okay, love you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.